October 1981, a baby was born. The entire family was very happy because it was Diwali and a baby girl was born. Wow, what can be better than that? So, what happens next? You go up to astrologers, the typical Indian middle class family where a girl is born, Diwali par paida hui hai. Celebrations galore. The first child from both the sides, that's the maternal and the paternal side. The astrologers put in everything in place, the kundali and everything. I'm sure you all know about how serious kundalis are when it comes to anything at home. मम्मी पापा ने कहा है कि पंडित जी ने ऐसा कहा है कि ऐसा होगा. And I'm amazed why the Pandit ji is still in that stage or that state himself. My kundali also says, इसका सूर्य नीच का है, इसे इसमें कोई भी काम करने के लिए बच्ची 100% मेहनत करेगी तो उसे 10, 20, 40% का आउटपुट, क्रेडिट, एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिलेगा. For decades, the girl was taught the same way. More than 2.5 decades, she followed everything on what was being taught in the typical religious style of schooling of the systems that we followed. This clearly states that the thought process also said that you will work for 1,000 and you will get only 100. That's the ratio that you had made it up in your mind. And that was here to stay because things were happening in the same way. You were working tirelessly and you were still in anonymity, nowhere to be seen. Literally, the nowhere word was fitting it absolutely correctly. So, what next? One after the other, failures galore, lessons learned. I don't call them failures anymore. I am leading a life of no regrets because I believe these were the lessons so important for me to carry ahead with me in those speed breaker format or bumper format to reach where I am today. And this is just a journey, not the destination. So, what went right and what went wrong? It was the belief system. Day one or one day, you decide. My father was always very worried कि इतना काम करती है बेटा तुम्हें awards नहीं मिलेंगे और सम्मान नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, तिरस्कार का सामना भी करना पड़ सकता है. Well, that was happening because I was believing that is happening to me and I was getting everything in my plate on platter being supplied by the entire power of the universe. Amazingly, it was exactly as I was thinking of. I will get late to office. How many of you feel that you get late to school the day you feel you are getting late to school? And you land up with Ma'am Sapru in front of you. Why are you late? That's such a fear that comes alive with everyone. Raise your hands whoever believes and has happened to you in past 10 years of school forever. At least once everyone has bumped into. When you know you're late, you are bumping into one after the other and you say, okay, there you have Durga standing in front of you and you are the role player of Mahishasur. Despite being any season of the year. That happens. Why does that happen? I was told in the same fashion to follow astrology, to follow the basics and everything. I did follow it. I respect it. But the roles have changed. Why? The roles have changed because I've started treating them as weatherman with all due respect to the IMD of India, which predicts a lot of things but doesn't go as predicted. So who are these people in your life who've been telling you, you can do this, you cannot do this, you should do this, you must do this, you will do this, you cannot do this? These are all simple weathermen. They are only telling you that with their limited experiences and their vision of not being able to see of what you can, of what you can achieve. I've been working on this. How many of you want to fly? How many of you want to fly in life? None? Fly in life, not the aircraft. All. What is the first rule of flying? Have you ever thought? You need to have wings, yes, but you need to be lightweight. Why is 15 kg the cutoff for the aircrafts and not for the railways? How do you do that? The first thing that you have to do is you have to shed your inhibitions. You have to shed your limitations. You have to change and work on your belief system, on what you have believed forever and ever that has stopped and limited you from what you can achieve, what you could achieve, or where you are today. How many of you believe that you can top in the class but will never do it? That's being honest. The first rule of life is accept yourself. You want to top in the class. What are the 3 things you've done? So I have prepared the 5 principles for flying for you. Now when I say this, I also say कि हाथों की लकीरों को बदला है मैंने. हाथों की लकीरों को बदला है मैंने. Because you cannot stop the sun from shining. In no way can you stop the sun from shining. The darkest clouds on the planet, in the atmosphere, stratosphere, any sphere, cannot stop the sun from shining. Have you ever seen the sun coming in late? Okay, aaj thoda late ho gaya, I'm so sorry. Doesn't happen with it. Because it emits power, it emits supremacy. What are those 5 principles? The 5F of flying. The 5F of flying. So number 1, face it. You never face it. You know it's your problem. You behave like an ostrich, get into the ground, and okay, there is nothing around me. Identify your problem. You have to identify your problem. The day you know I get up late because I sleep late, and I sleep late because I am on my phone doing nothing but chatting or roaming around the Facebook. I call it roaming around the Facebook because you have nothing to do. You are going aimlessly to whatever you get, which they are supplying with what you have served earlier, tailor-made to your needs, and to ensure that you spend maximum time on them and with them. Rule 1, face it. Rule 2, F the fear. The day you do it, things will be different. How many of you are afraid of any particular subject? I was afraid of maths. I was terribly afraid of maths. And I tell you this real story. In class 8th, I was on the verge of failing. My maths teacher called me and said, he was a Punjabi, a very, very dynamic person. He called my parents. I was this skinny, and he said कि और चीज़ों कुछ मक्खन खिलाइए, मर जाएगी, उड़ा जाएगी, किसी दिन इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता, मैथ्स में भी 0 ही आते हैं इसके. My mother came home and said कि nothing doing, I don't think you will be able to even pass class 9th. So that was in class 9th. 9th, I somehow scraped through. Then, in class 10th, day 1 or one day, you decide. I decided it has to be 90 plus in maths or I'm not appearing for the exams. I failed in the prelims of class 10th in maths. 2 days I cried. And then it was game on. That's my favorite phrase to take up any challenge. Game on. It was game on with maths, and I scored 95 in my ICSE in maths. This was just one of those many instances where it was reiterated that whatever is written in your astrological predictions depends only on what you treat them and how you treat them. But what's the difference in it? The third, that is focus. For media persons, Ramnath Goenka Award is the biggest and most prestigious award of the country. It is Pulitzer Prize of India. One of my colleagues received it in 2012 in Delhi, and I was amazed that this is something that I would love to hold it in my hand. There are multiple ways of doing it. There are multiple ways of doing it exactly on how you would eat a particular dish in various times at various intervals. But how do you do that? Well, and this is an outstanding experiment that I did. My father had always said that कि बेटा तुम्हारा सूर्य नीच का है. Don't forget that. सूर्य नीच का है, इसका मतलब है आपको क्रेडिट नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि पावर ऑफ सन आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, एंड वॉट एवर इट वॉज, द फोकस वॉज रामनाथ गोइंका अवार्ड and the award in my hand. How do you do that? I somehow had a pencil box that was a replication of that entire award. It was always on my dressing table. I used to pick it up, hold it, and just smile at myself in the mirror that this is the award in my hand. Did that for more than 3 years. Nothing was happening. मेरा नाम जाता था and someone used to chop off my name from the list for the presentations that would go for the name of the finalist and would land up nowhere. It happened for 3 years. I did not lose my hope and I did not lose my focus. It was I and Ramnath Goenka award in my hand. What was next? One fine day, I decided the deadline for usually the awards for 2016 was 2017 when we received it, was the month of August when they let you know whether you're receiving it or not. And I used to check on website every day, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं awards निकल गए, मेरा नाम भी नहीं आया but नाम तो गया है. Did that for multiple days. And then the next step, detach yourself. When you know how, the fourth rule, we come to the fourth rule, that is feel it. Why do you have to do that? How do you behave with something that you already have in your home? Do you hold it in your hand and roam around every day? Do you do that? When you know you have your mother, do you take her around? ये मेरी मम्मी है, ये मेरी मम्मी है, ये मेरी मम्मी है, ये मेरी मम्मी है. Do you do that? You have a best friend, you have a dress. Do you go to a party and say, हैंगर में ये भी था, ले आए, पहन नहीं पाए थे? Do you do that? You know you have it. You know you own it. What do you do when you own it? You are happy about it. You feel it. You live it. You vibrate with it. And you feel that, yes, this is mine. There is no insecurity when you own something. That was the feeling that I was supposed to have with that award when I was holding it in my hand, that it is mine. One fine day, I get a call. I couldn't take the call, so they called up my brother because that was his number given, and he said, someone is calling you from Ramnath Goenka and they say you're receiving an award. The lady called me and said, congratulations ma'am, you are a recipient of Ramnath Goenka award. I was standing, I suddenly sat down. मुझे लगा वो मेलो ड्रामा नहीं होता है पुरानी मूवीज में जो आता था, एकदम से दरवाजा खुलेगा, कैरेक्टर बैठ जाएगा और ऐसे उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि मुझे खुशी होना है कि दुख होना है, मुझे क्या करना है. एंड देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई आस्क्ड द लेडी कि मैम कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप मुझे स्टेज पे बुला के कहेंगे विनर कोई और है, ये फाइनलिस्ट थे. नो नो, यू हैव वन इट, you are receiving the award on this particular day. Called my father. We went together for the ceremony. I arranged for special passes, and that was the day when I told him, Papa, today I have proven कि मेरा सूर्य नीच का नहीं है. Might get a little emotional because for any Indian journalist to receive Ramnath Goenka Award is as big as receiving the internationally acclaimed Pulitzer Prize. That was a moment when you believed that you had achieved something that every person in the world had not believed in. And the only person in the world believing with you at that time was only yourself. It might have taken years to achieve that, but there was one last lesson in those 5F of flying, was the faith. Was the faith of a mustard seed that it will prosper? Was the faith of a mustard seed that believed that it could grow out anywhere? Was the faith that I had, and I have increasingly with every passing day in the supreme power. Can we do a 2-minute exercise? Can all of you hold your nose and control your breath for a minute? No breathing for a minute. No breathing for a minute. You give up or you continue for a minute? Coughing, sneezing, sniffing, everything happens in just a matter of 1 minute. We've been dealing with the machines of the world and we haven't realized that our body is the most complex machine in the world, where the intestines itself runs into miles of length, where if the heart stops functioning for a fraction of a second, your body fails completely. You breathe in and you breathe out something so easily, and your most complex part of the world works so efficiently and so smoothly. And yet you want to control everything. You can't control your breath, which is the most important part of your life. But you want to control everything in the world. The day you realize that if you follow the 5F of flying, you will be flying. You will be on top of the world. Have you ever listened to how you talk to yourself? For all those students who say, I am a fool, I don't know this, I don't know this, you are being served on a platter what you are asking. The day you believe that you deserve the best, trust me, you will get only the best. So, for the 5F of flying, there's one Bij mantra that you can call it. What is that? That is thank you. Anytime you meet anyone, anyone gives you a glass of water, anyone speaks to you, anyone gives you anything or even takes anything from you, just say a thank you. Because if you have to fly high, you have to restrict yourself with the luggage that you're carrying. Thank you, my dear audience.